Hello everybody, my name is Candice, and I was thinking what percentage of a perfect square is a circle, a perfect circle that fits inside that square. And I didn't think of this in a daytime like a normal person. No, I actually thought of this like in middle of the night, 4 o'clock in the morning. I actually wrote down the note here. You can see on my phone. And if you can see there, it says 4:32 in the morning. And as you know, on the iPhone, you cannot change the time. So that is indeed when it happened. So my future girlfriend, in case you're wondering, what am I thinking about in the middle of the night? No, I am not thinking about other girls. I am thinking about squares and stuff. So let's look down here on a screen for you. It's on the screen. So look at the square and look at the circle. And R is for radius. So I was thinking, what percentage of the square is the circle? And I looked at it, I'm like, maybe like 70, 80, 90%, right? That looks about right. So, okay, so let me reveal the answer. Actually, if you want to think about it, let's pause for a second. Okay, that was a second, and if you want to pause for longer, you're welcome to, but let's go. So, yes, I made it green so you can clearly see that's the circle. Okay, now the reveal. So it is actually 78%, which makes very good sense, right? When you look at it, you can pretty much visually see that that would be about 78%. But then, instead of, going back to sleep, I kept thinking whether the same percentage would apply if we took a sphere and put it inside a cube. Again, that would touch all 6 sides of the cube. Will it be still 78%? So, and I couldn't stop thinking about it. I wanted to go to sleep. I couldn't fall asleep. I kept thinking about it. So let me show you. So this is easier to see visually. So that is meant to be a sphere, and then that is a cube. And again, the sphere is touching all 6 sides of the cube, so it fits inside the cube perfectly. So the question is it still 78%, or is it a different number? Is it more, is it less, or is it the same? So again, you can cast your votes or whatever. I'm going to reveal the answer right now because I don't want to keep you waiting. So the actual answer is 52%. It's only 52%. If you look at the number again, that's nearly half, because 50% is half. But then I was thinking, that is very interesting. Why is it 52%? Why is it so close to exactly half, but it's not half? Because we have a perfect sphere and we have a perfect cube. So why is it not 50%? Why is it 50? It's actually not 52, it's like 52.3 something like, but I rounded it up to 52%. But still, why is it so close to being a half, yet it's not a half? Even we are using 2 objects, we're using a sphere, which is a most compact thing in the universe, that's why all the planets and all the water droplets turn into a sphere, because that is the most compact object. And then cube is man-made. You don't see cubes in the nature, but they're man-made because, we like everything tidy. And, cubes, if you stack loads of cubes together, you're gonna waste no space. Anyway, so now I put the sphere inside the cube. Why does it take only 52%? Or why is it 52% instead of 50? Because it would make sense, right? Like half, that would make sense. What's with this number, 52%? I don't know. My future girlfriend, this is what I'll be thinking about at night, not about other girls, just in case you worried. Yeah, so these are the things that I sometimes think about. Anyway, guys, if you have answer, like, I am super curious, why is it 52%? I just use the standard formulas, for the area of the circle, it's A equals, I forgot, P, R, cubed, whatever. Ignore that, I forgot the formulas, but the standard formulas you can find on YouTube, just use those and you will find that these numbers are correct. But it's so interesting. It's very interesting to me. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.